Hello! In this video I will show you how to enter recovery mode on OnePlus Ace 5 Pro. So you have to start by powering off your device, so you have to press power button and volume up button at the same time to open power menu and then select power off option. Now once your device is completely powered off, you have to press and hold power button and volume down button at the same time. And when OnePlus logo pops up on your screen, you can let go of power button, but you still have to hold volume down button. And here you have to select your language by using volume buttons and select with power button. And you are now in recovery mode. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.